Welcome back to the Stoneburner Books YouTube channel. Today I'm really excited to share all of the books that I made in April. This month I focused on two main types of books. One was custom orders, so you'll notice some things that seem maybe a little out of place, out of my norm, and those are most likely custom orders. And then also I restocked some of my tried and true favorites that are going to be for local shopping and in-person events. So you'll see these smaller notebooks that are hardcover right here. These are things that I'm stocking for a local shop that is opening this weekend actually. So I needed to make some items to have there. The other place that I will be in May that I needed items for is at our town's green fair. So I wanted to make sure that I had plenty of items like these disc notebooks that are made from recycled, repurposed materials. You'll also notice throughout this video there are books that are journals that are made from real books. You'll see some Hardy Boys and Nancy Drew towards the end of the video, and those are actual books covers that I cut the covers apart and put in brand new pages. All of these have lined pages, and I found a 100% post-consumer recycled paper that I'm really excited. So all of my items for the Green Fair are featuring that 100% recycled paper. If you've been trying to keep track of how many books I actually made this month, I'm going to go ahead and spoil it and let you know I made 50 different books. This includes all the little notebooks like this, as well as hardcover books like this one. And if you stick around till the end, you'll see a cool oversized watercolor book that was a custom order. So I love my custom orders and all of the books that I get to make. So thank you so much for watching. Stick around and see what I make in May.